In this video, let us learn MySQL built-in date functions. The first function is curDate or current underscore date. Yes. Now we can system CLS, it will clear the screen. So select curDate. It provides the select curDate. It provides current system date. Today's date is 2025 September 18th. The same thing we can achieve. Select current underscore date. So the first function is which one? CurDate or current underscore date. It provides current system date in the format of YYY hyphen MM hyphen DD. This particular format, this is the standard MySQL date format. The second function is curTime or current underscore time. Select curTime. So it provides the current system time in the format of HH colon MM colon SS. In this particular format it provides. The same thing we can able to achieve by using select current underscore time. So this also provides current system time. The next function is current timestamp. It returns the current system date and time. So together it provides date and time. Together it provides by using current timestamp. Select current underscore timestamp. It provides together date along with today's date along with the time also it provides. This together is called the timestamp. The next function is day. How the day function works means it returns the day of the month for a given date. Suppose I would like to provide select day. I would like to provide 2025-02-26. So it provides which one? The day is nothing but how much? 26 it provides. So month, it returns month part of a given date. The same input we will provide the month. Select month 2025-02-26. What is the month value? 2 only. It has to provide the month value is 2. The next function is year. It returns the year part of the given date. Select year 2025-02-26. So it provides the value called how much? It provides 2025 because year value only it returns. Similar way, one more function called hour. It returns a hour part of a given date time. So if we can execute the function, select hour, you can provide the complete timestamp value or you can provide only this much of value only. 19 colon 45 colon 25. So it provides the value called how much means it provides the value called 19 because this is the hour value. So minute value, it returns the minute part of the given date time. So we can provide minute value. So you can provide daytime portion also. Otherwise you can provide only the time value also. So it provides only the minute value card 45. The next function is second. It returns the second part of a given date time. In the date time means either you can provide a timestamp value or you can provide only for the which one means time value also you can provide. That is called the second. Select second of the same value I am just providing 19 colon 45 colon 25. So in this portion, in this particular input, it provides a value called 25 alone. The next function is now. What the now function can do, it returns current date and time. So now select now. It provides which one? Current date and time. So for function called hour, minute and second, for these functions you can pass now as a parameter also we can pass it. I'll just show one basic example. Hour, now. So it provides which value? 19 only it was providing because the current hour value is 19. The same 19 only it provides. See, one function we can pass as a parameter to another function only when the function which act as a parameter that should return a value. Okay, similar way we can use minute, we can use second, and we can pass now as a parameter. And one more function called sysdate. It returns current date and time. It means the sysdate works exactly similar to the now function. Select sysdate. This also provides which one? Current date with current time it provides. Week. It returns week number of a given date. So a month contains 4 weeks. The corresponding week number it provides. So if we can provide, select week 2025-02-26. The corresponding week number it provides. That is called the 8. That is called the, because 26 is a February last week only. So obviously it will become 8. Weekday. It returns weekday number for a given date. Weekday number. What is the function name? Weekday. Select weekday. The same value will supply 2025-02-26. So it provides the corresponding value called 2. So that is called weekday number. Next one, week of year. It returns week number for a given date. Week of year. Select week of year. Will provide the same date 2025-02-26. So it provides the value called 9. The next function is year week. It returns the year and week number of a given date. It means for the given date, it provides the year and as well as the week number. Together it provides year week. Select year week. Will supply the same parameter 2025-02-26. So it provides year value along with week number. The two things it provides. The next one called timestamp. It returns date time value based on the date or date time value. So depending upon the date and time value, it provides timestamp. Timestamp. So select time stamp. Suppose if we can provide 2025-09-20, so that is called as a 19:45:25. So it provides, suppose if it didn't provided any time, in this case it provides hour, minute, second as a 000 only timestamp. Suppose if we can provide 19:45:25, it provides the respective timestamp it provides. Time difference, it returns difference between two time expression. So we will see now. Two time expression will provide. So what is the function name? Time diff. Select time diff. Suppose we are providing 19:45:25. That is the one time. Another one called, which one means 14 colon, so 30:10 seconds. As soon as if we can provide the time differences in this way, it provides 5 hours, 15 minutes and 15 seconds it will provide. That is called the time difference. Time to second, it converts time value into seconds. So what is the time value you have provided? How much seconds it become? Time to second. Time underscore to underscore sec. Select time to sec. So suppose if we can provide 02 colon the 10 colon 15 seconds. So as soon as if we can execute, so for this particular given hour, minute and second, these many seconds are available. That is time to second. The next function is time format. This function formats a time by a specified format. So what is meaning of a specified format? We will see now. Time format. What is the function name? Time underscore format. Select underscore format. So currently I would like to provide 19:45:25, comma, we will provide percentage h, comma, percentage I, that is called as the minute, comma, percentage s, that is called as the second. Sorry, we need to provide percentage s. As soon as if we can execute, it provides. So here we need to provide, instead of providing multiple parameters, we should provide in this way. How we need to provide means percentage I, percentage s. In this only you should provide. It provides how much? 07. It means it is a 7 p.m. now. 7 p.m. 45 minutes and 25 seconds. Whether it is AM or PM, how we can able to make sure? So for that purpose, we need to provide one more parameter, percentage P. It provides whether it is a AM or PM, it describes. Okay, that is called as a time format. The another function called time. It extracts the time part from a given time expression. So it will extract only time part. So from a given time expression. So we can execute this function. Select time. I just provide 2025-09-20. So 19:45:25. I just provided. Okay. So what can be the output here? The output, it was extracted only which one? Time portion only it has extracted. Subdate. What is the meaning of subdate? It subtracts a time or date interval from a date and then returns a date. From the given date, it subtracts either date or time. It will be subtract. So subdate. We'll discuss about subdate. Select subdate. I just provide subdate card 2025-02-26. I would like to subtract interval 2 month. I just need to provide interval how much 2 month I want to subtract. What is the given date? It went to the 2 months I need to subtract. So instead of providing as the parameter, I just provide in this particular representation. So I'm sorry, interval. I need to provide a interval. I just provide a interval 2 month. So it provides which date? It went to 2024. It went because 2 months has subtracted from the which one? 2025 February 26. If we can subtract 2 months, it went to 2024 December 26. It went. That is called as a subdate. So subdate interval 2 months we are subtracting. Okay. String to date. It returns a date based on the given string and given format. str to date. Select str to date. Suppose I have given the date card which one? 2025-0. So I would like to provide in this way. SEPTEM September 20, 2025. I just provided the value in this way. Percentage M. So next card percentage D and next card percentage Y. So as soon as if we can execute, it provides which date? 2025 September 21 it was provided. Okay, the given string format, it was converted into which one? Date format. So the day name, it returns a weekday name of a given date. So we'll provide weekday name of a given day name. Select day name of 2025-09-20. What was the date? What was the day name means? It was Saturday. And next one called date diff. It returns the number of days between the two given date value. So we can find out the date difference value. Date diff. Select date diff. Suppose I'm just providing 2025-09-20. From this one, I would like to extract 2025-09-09. So how many days are difference here? So it is telling 11 days are difference. The next function is date add. It adds a time or date interval to a date and then returns a date. So date add. So I would like to go with this particular one now. Date underscore add. Select date underscore add. I would like to provide which is the date means 2025-09-20. I would like to add interval to month. So obviously it provides September. November 20th it should provide. Says it become November 20 because 2 months have added. Date underscore sub, it subtract a time or date interval from a date and then returns a date. So date underscore sub. So date underscore sub, select date underscore sub. The same thing we can try to use it. 2025 -09 -20. So interval to month. If we can subtract 2 month, September before 2 months is what is the date? So it provides July 20th, 2025, July 20 only it will provide. The next function, last day, it provides the last day of the month for a given date. So it provides last underscore day. Select last underscore day. We can provide 2025 -08 -15th will provide. So it provides what is the value? 2025. The 31st one it should provide last day. So it provides 2025 08 35 because it is a last day of the given date value. So in this video we have learnt all the MySQL built-in date functions. Thank you.